Moving on to the last few slides in your binder, slides 14 through 17, you actually don't have to change anything with. Slide 14 is just a home page. Slide 15 is a page that links to two pages in your presentation, the next page and the page after that. Slide 16, you can see, has links to both the goal and the coaching menu. You can see that by just touching on each of those boxes. You can see the copies of those menus are there. And then slide 17 just has a link to create an action plan template, which we actually will do in slide 18. And then a link to bring you to the page in your presentation where your action plans are going to go. So we're going to move on to slide 18. On slide 18, you are going to make a copy of the action plan template 4 different times and link them to these 4 different action plan boxes. You are going to do this the same way that we did our tuning protocols for team members 1 through 4, but I'll show you one more time just in case. So I'm going to click on the yellow action plan box, and it's going to prompt me to make a copy of the final adjusted action plan. I am going to rename this document Action Plan 1. And then I'm going to go back to the binder and make another copy and repeat this process 4 times. Now that I have created my 4 different copies of the action plan, I'm going to link these back into my document, into my digital binder, by going to the action plan 1, clicking share, changing the link so that anyone with the link is a viewer, copying the link, going to my digital binder, right-clicking in action plan number 1, link, and pasting the link for action plan 1. I'm going to also do this for action plan number 2, 3, and 4. I have now repeated this process 4 times, and when I click on each of these boxes, you can see that my documents for each of the action plans have been linked. Moving on, slides 19 and 20, don't worry about for right now. We will add more material to these slides as the year goes on, or even next year. And then in slide 21, this is a spot for notes for you. So you could use this to take notes, to keep track of reminders, and if you need more space, if you go over here on the left menu, if you right-click on it, you can even duplicate this slide to create more space for notes for you. As you can see by moving on to slide 23, your digital binder is now set up and ready to use. Nice work!